Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you have already seen by the title of this video, I am turning these denim pants into a skirt. I recorded this video last year, mid-August 2023, and I'm only uploading it now. Wow, January 2024. Well, just because I just wanted, like a nice day at the beach, just so I can have a better thumbnail for this video, but it didn't happen. Anyway, let's get into the video. Here's what you'll need. You'll need your scissors, your pins, your measuring tape, your seam ripper, as well as your cotton or your thread. I chose a lighter shade of blue for my cotton because my pants are not that dark. Yeah, so here's my pants. I'm gonna start ripping the inseam all the way from one leg to the next leg. Now this step here needs patience. You need to be very careful and meticulous. You have to rip a few stitches at a time. Do not jump any steps. Do not take shortcuts, otherwise you'll rip your pants. Please guys, I beg you. It does take long. Make no mistake, it does take long, but eventually you'll get there. Remove all the threads and ensure that you are left with clean seams so you can start your project. Take a chalk or dressmaking pencil and get rid of the crotch on the back pieces. Make that line at the back straight and slightly curve it at the top to accommodate the bumps. This is the same back pieces. I went ahead and cut the crotch out. Then join the center back seams together. Now if it happens that area there where there's a straight line and the curving of the bum, if it looks funny or it's sticking out, go ahead on your machine and flatten that out until it looks better. Now coming to the front, this is where the tricky part is, the crotch area. You're gonna lay your skirt flat on your table, then take the crotch and lay it over to the other side, closing the front part as well. Make sure not to pull too much of your crotch, otherwise your skirt will look funny. You can continue with the seam going down and on the other side as well. Now that is because I removed all the seams that were there and now I don't want it to look bare, so I just continued with my light blue cotton and it looked fine. You'll see at the end. At this point I was already seeing flames. I was foreseeing problems, and so I cut through the crotch area to make it less bulky. Hand sewn the flap and only then I took it to the sewing machine for the final stitches. Looks like close up, it looks like that. Can you see? It looks something like this. Oh, let me show you the inside. The inside looks like this. It's not too bad, it's still neat. If you want, you can just take off this flap, but if it doesn't bother you, you can just leave it like that and just zigzag here.